The 4 Pillars of Investing, a Journey to Money Rich. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a magic touch when it comes to investing? Well, the secret isn't magic at all. It's knowledge. Welcome to Journey to Money Rich, where we dissect the wisdom of experts like William Bernstein, celebrated author of The 4 Pillars of Investing. Watch this video till the end to know how. William Bernstein insights offer anyone the chance to transform their financial future. First, Bernstein cuts through the hype and reminds us of a simple truth. High returns mean high risk. It's like that roller coaster you loved as a kid. Exhilarating, but one wrong turn and you're in for a bumpy ride. So instead of chasing quick wins, Bernstein teaches us to find the sweet spot where risk and reward tango gracefully. You won't get rich overnight, but your portfolio will thank you for the stability. Next, Bernstein takes us on a wild ride through market history. Buckle up, because it's a roller coaster of bubbles, crashes, and everything in between. But here's the secret. The market's crazy, but it's predictable in its unpredictability. By understanding historical cycles, we can avoid emotional panic when things get bumpy and stay cool as a cucumber when everyone else loses their heads. Now let's talk about the biggest obstacle to wealth building, ourselves. Our brains are wired for instant gratification, not long-term investing. We panic sell, chase hot stocks, and get swayed by the noise. But Bernstein gives us the tools to tame our inner monkey. He teaches us how to think long-term, ignore the market chatter, and build a diversified portfolio that's as rock-solid as Mount Everest. Finally, Bernstein exposes the dark side of the investment industry. Those slick suits peddling fancy products? Their main goal is to line their pockets, not yours. Instead, Bernstein shows us how to take control and become our own financial heroes. No more expensive fees, no more chasing the next big thing. Just simple, low-cost strategies that let your money work for you, not the other way around. Friends, The 4 Pillars of Investing isn't just a book. It's a mindset shift. It's about building lasting wealth without sacrificing your sanity. And here at Journey to Money Rich, we're all about sharing that knowledge and helping you reach your financial goals. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, subscribe to Journey to Money Rich. We're here to guide you every step of the way, providing the knowledge you need to achieve your dreams. Remember, the journey to Money Rich starts with knowledge, not luck. So hit that subscribe button, share this video with your money-minded friends, and let's make the financial climb together. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay rich in your own way. If you want more videos like this, comment below in the comments section.